Hello friends, I am Asim here. In this tutorial, I am going to explain you what are the various activities available in TPA, that is Teacher Practice Area. So for that, you can how to go there. You can click on My Course and then you go to Moodle Training, and there you have in the drop down menu Teacher Practice Area. You just click on that. So you will see this page, Teacher Practice Area. Now you have to turn the editing on first. So once you have done that, then you have to go down in this page and click on this add an activity or resource. So you will see a list of activities available on Moodle. Basically, if you scroll down, you will find that there are large number of activities available. They are in total, they are 54, and they have been arranged in alphabetical order. And so just to explain you further, I will first take up the assignment activity. I'll click on the button. So if you click on it, it will explain that it says that this assignment activity module enables the teacher to communicate tasks, collect work, and provide grades and feedback. So using this activity resource the teacher who is doing online teaching is able to assign or communicate the various tasks to the student, to the participants, collect work, and also provide grades and feedback. Students can submit any digital content such as word processed documents, spreadsheets, images, or audio and video clips. So this is it's a very handy activity resource. So this can be used for carrying out various teaching activities. Similarly, if the teacher wants to have this facility of attendance, so it says that the attendance activity module enables a teacher to take attendance during class and students to view their own attendance record. So students can also view their own standard attendance record, and in this way, the participation of the student will also be visible. Similarly, if you want to have chat facility, you can do that also. And here it says the chat activity module enables participants to have text-based, real-time, synchronous discussion. It further says the chat may be a one-time activity or it may be repeated at the same time each day and each week. So that means you can have a facility where a person can chat at any time, and it says the chat sessions are saved and can be made available for everyone to view or restrict to users with the capability to view chat session logs. So this is also a very good facility. Similarly, there are so many other facilities available here, you can have hot questions. It says the hot question activity enables students to post and vote on post in response to questions asked by the course teacher. So this can also be used for that purpose. Similarly, you can have quizzes. The quiz activity enables the teacher to create quizzes comprising questions of various types, including multiple choice, matching, short answer, and numericals. Teacher can allow the quiz to be attempted multiple times, and with the questions shuffled or randomly selected, from the question bank. A time limit may be set. And then he says that each attempt is marked automatically with the exception of essay questions, and the grades is recorded in the grade book. So you see that is a very good facility available in the Moodle. Various activities can be added to your teaching program. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.